Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from HomeAdditionPlus.com, and today I got a really cool tool to show you from Rockwell Tools. It's a mini circular saw with a laser guide on the end of it. This saw is known as the Versacut saw, and for good reason. Because of its small compact size and lightweight, weighing in only 4 pounds, it's ideal for many cutting tasks. Its small compact size and balanced ergonomic design allows it to be operated easily and longer than heavier and bulkier traditional circular saws. Its small size also allows it to be used in smaller and harder to reach spaces and places. What really makes this tool cool is the unique blade guard design on it. As you can see, the blade is hidden underneath the guard. And there's a trigger mechanism with a safety switch that when you push on the safety switch and then hit the trigger to make the blade spin, the blade guard retracts and exposes the blade. As a result, you can operate this circular saw with one hand, unlike the traditional larger circular saws. In addition, you can adjust the blade height anywhere from 0 to 1 1/16 inch depth. So you can cut 3/4 inch to inch plywood with no problem with this particular saw. For power, the Versacut runs off 120 volt AC. It has a 4 amp motor that can spin the blade at 3,500 RPMs. So it's got the power to cut through even the thickest plywood and even ceramic tile or slate with the appropriate blade mounted on it. To use a Versacut saw, all you need to do is pull back on the safety switch and push the trigger to operate the saw. As you line it up over your mark, you basically plunge, if you will, or depress the base plate onto the surface of the material and make your cut. Again, what I really like about the saw is I can use one hand to hold the workpiece in place and use the other hand to use the saw. Versus with your traditional circular saw, both hands would be having to be operating the saw itself. With a diamond tipped tile saw blade installed, we can even cut ceramic tile with it. Blade replacement is very easy. Just simply insert the blade, put the lock nut on it, and then put in the screw and tighten with an Allen wrench. And it's ready to go. In addition to the Versacut saw itself, it comes with 3 blades, 3 3/8 inch in diameter. The blades will support either cutting sheet metal or wood or even ceramic tile. It includes a base plate cover for protecting the surface that you're cutting on, a fence for ensuring straight cuts, and a dust extraction tool to ensure that you minimize dust flowing in the workspace area. And finally, it includes a packaging case for actually storing the saw and all of the accessories. So if you're in the market for a new circular saw, make sure you check out Rockwell Tools Mini Circular Saw. This is a great tool, particularly if you want to have one free hand for holding the cutting material and the other hand dedicated to the saw. It's got a very lightweight design, it's got a nice grip to hold on to it, and it's just exceptional for cutting a variety of types of materials. If you have other home improvement questions, visit us at HomeAdditionPlus.com today.